Maria Ilagan Orasa, the first food technologist of the Philippines. Hi everyone! Today, I'm excited to share with you the story of an innovative and unique Filipino creation, banana ketchup. This ketchup made from bananas has become a staple in Filipino households and is loved for its sweet and tangy flavor. Let's dive into the background and origin of this remarkable condiment, discuss why it's so popular, and wrap up with some of the key sources that provide a deeper look into its impact and significance. Banana ketchup has a fascinating history that dates back to World War II. During the war, the Philippines faced a shortage of tomatoes, which are traditionally used to make ketchup. This was a problem because ketchup was already popular in the country. That's when Maria Orasa, a Filipino food scientist and war hero, came up with an alternative solution. She decided to make ketchup from bananas, which were abundant in the Philippines. Her innovation was brilliant because it made use of local resources, bananas, to create a product that could serve as a ketchup substitute during hard times. By combining bananas with vinegar, sugar, and spices, Maria Orasa created the first banana ketchup, which had a similar texture to tomato ketchup, but a unique, sweet taste. Later, food companies in the Philippines like UFC adopted her formula, adding red coloring to give it a familiar ketchup appearance. Today, banana ketchup is a beloved condiment in the Philippines and is used with everything from fried chicken to traditional dishes like tortang talong and even spaghetti. So why has banana ketchup become so popular? And what makes it so special? Let's talk about some of its key benefits and the reason why Filipinos love it so much. Number 1, resourceful use of local ingredients. Banana ketchup is an incredible example of resourcefulness. It was created out of necessity using banana, a fruit that is plentiful and in the Philippines, rather than imported tomatoes. This not only made it more affordable, but also helped support local farmers and the agricultural economy. Number 2, unique flavor profile. The flavor of banana ketchup is sweet, tangy, and slightly spicy. This flavor profile is very different from the tangy taste of tomato ketchup, making it a versatile condiment that adds a unique twist to various dishes. This innovation aligns perfectly with Filipino cuisine, which often combines sweet and savory flavors. Number 3, healthy alternative. Number 3, healthier alternative. Banana ketchup also offers some health advantages. Bananas are high in potassium and fiber, so banana ketchup has a certain nutritional benefits over regular tomato ketchup, even though it still contains sugar. Number 4, cultural icon. Beyond its taste and nutritional value, banana ketchup has become an icon of Filipino culture. It represents the creativity and adaptability of Filipinos. For example, it's a staple on Filipino spaghetti, which is sweeter than Italian versions, and features hot dog as a popular topping. Banana ketchup has even found fans internationally as more people try Filipino food. And number 5, environmental impact. Using locally sourced bananas reduces the need to import tomatoes, which help reduce the carbon footprint and promote sustainability. It also reduces food waste, as bananas that may be unsustainable for eating raw can still be used to make ketchup. So banana ketchup is more than just a condiment. It's a symbol of Filipino innovation, resilience, and creativity. It highlights how necessity drives new ideas and how cultural identity can be expressed through food.